Hello.
Hello,
Hello,
my name is Charlotte,
I'm Lucy.
I'm Daniel.
And I'm Lewis.
and we are Young Ambassadors for IFST. And today we're going to be talking about our experiences over the almost past year of what we've been getting up to. So, first of all, we're going to go to Dan. Dan, what have you been up to?
Well, to start with, to get the actual role, we all had to write a 500-word essay on a topic around food safety, which meant we were all then invited to the spring conference in London, which was a really good event. We all networked, we got presented our prizes, and then from there, we've done a number of different events. So to start with, we all took part in the Big Bang event, which took place across the country, where as part of IFST, we tried to educate primary school children about food science and IFST. So we did this with corn flour and mealworms and crickets for the children to try. And then also I've done a student launchpad, which is aimed at undergraduate and postgraduate students. So I had to give a talk to over 70 people on why they should join IFST and what it can do for them. And Lucy also did something similar, so I'll now pass you on to her.
Yes, so I was involved at the North of England hub launch up at Teesside Uni back in November. Great opportunity to meet with different students from all around the country, particularly up at Teesside, engage with them, show them what the IFST can do a little bit of promotion of the Young Ambassador scheme as well, and get involved with them, which was really, really good. Something I've also then been involved with is the Education and Careers Committee, which meet about 4 times a year, and it's been a great opportunity to get involved with them, see what they're all about, and put a little bit of student input into it as well, which is something that I've really enjoyed doing as well. And Charlotte, I think you've done something similar, have you?
Yes, I have. Yeah, I was part of the membership committee and also the Western Branch committee. So it's been really great to put a student's input into these membership committees, in the fact that you've got all these amazing professionals that are so knowledgeable, but they just like to know student input. So it's been really great to get involved in that. But also, it's just been great to work with all these different people, learn from them, um, and then also organising events such as the Chili Challenge at Christmas and conferences throughout the year. So it's been really great fun. And part of that was also Lewis was part of the team. So Lewis.
Yeah, so it's been a great year, and one of the things I've enjoyed most is actually enticing students from different degrees within food to actually become a member of the IFST. So a couple of ways that happened was one, at Food Matters Live, I was able to speak to just people exhibiting and people visiting the event and tell them what the IFST is about. But I've also given a couple of presentations at Cardiff Met and Reading, just to entice students who currently aren't members of the IFST, but to tell them what it's got to offer and actually what I've learned as a young ambassador. Between the lot of us, we've actually had so many great experiences as young ambassadors. We've had a great opportunity to connect, whilst being students, with the industry. So that's through networking at the range of different events we've attended and helped at, as well as just speaking to different members of the IFST. So I think it's been a great year for all of us, and it's actually given us something to put onto our CV, which really stands out compared to other people. So overall, we've had a great year, and I'd like to thank you for listening to just some of the few things that we've got involved with as young ambassadors. So thank you, and see you.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 Bye!